All right, come on. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube, y'all. We back with another video. I know if y'all read the title, that's why y'all here. But not right now. I'm on my way to work, and I'm on my way to take Naya to school. So, y'all, Naya don't know I'm about to have her be my camera woman. So, she is about to be helping me do this prank, but she don't know yet. So, when she get out of school, she will be fine. Well, I'm about to tell her right now. As soon as she gets to the car.
20 years after being wrongfully accused.
Oh yeah, y'all. I'm about to terrorize the whole house with birds. So I hope y'all ready to see this thing on video. There she go. Come on, cause you getting in the back? She was trying to sit in the back, but now that she see I got the camera on, she probably want to sit in the front. Listen, before I take you to school, I need a favor. You hear me?
To go to sleep?
No. I'm gonna need your favor. We gotta team up because I need to do this video on Mama, and I need somebody to be my camera person.
Oh, so I'm not going to school?
Yeah, you going to school, but I'm gonna need you to do the video after school because I'm gonna go get some birds.
Oh, cute birds?
No, not no cute birds. I don't know what kind of birds, but I'm gonna get some birds and I'm gonna let them go on Mama and DJ today. So you're gonna be my camera woman, and then I'm telling Mama you told me you want me to do this video. So I'm gonna see y'all when I drop Naya off at school.
I'm pissed.
And then I'm gonna go pick Naya up from school, and then we're gonna go to Petco. Hope y'all like and subscribe on this video, and I hope y'all have a good day at school because it is Monday, and Mondays always start of a hard week for anybody, not just kids. So I hope y'all like this video. Subscribe to this video. I'm gonna show y'all with Naya when she get out the car, and then I gotta go to work. So I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, look, Naya on her way to school real quick. I'm on my way to work. Have a good day. Make sure you don't get in trouble. Make sure you pay attention. Y'all too. All right, love you. See you at the school. All right, she on her way to school. And I am on my way to work, y'all. I hope y'all excited for this video as much as I am excited to give it to y'all. So I will be picking up them birds when I get off work. Walking into Pet Smart. Yeah, we're gonna get a good reaction out of her, y'all. I don't know if Shaquille gonna be scared or not, but it's content for you. Shaquille might be scared for DJ overall. So, hello. I see. That was a nice welcome and approach. What you want to throw this?
Right there.
You want to throw this on her first?
No.
Why? No. I think that'd be better.
That's too big. That look Jaden. We should do this on Jaden.
All right, y'all. We gotta go find the birds. Oh, what about if I put one of these on y'all?
Oh, it's okay. I like hamsters, but that look like a mouse.
They the same thing. They from the same family.
He trying to.
Come on, let's go to this bird. Yeah, what the fuck?
Look at that baby. No, that.
Oh, that's a rabbit.
Oh.
That's a rabbit. Where's the birds?
Wait, what?
Oh, the birds are here.
Oh, I'm scared.
$30.
Like guinea pig.
Oh, y'all, which one should we get?
Hey. I want the one where it sings
Which one
to
should we
us.
get? Look at that big old boy. I'm putting this on Mama next. Look. All right, y'all. I was trying to get a bird. They told me I gotta do some adoption papers. When did they start doing adoption papers for birds?
So we're gonna have to keep that bird.
Well, I don't want that bird.
I'm gonna ask her,
Can we return it?
yeah.
Hopefully we can return it. I just want to make sure we can before I buy it. Because if it's up for adoption, I should be able to give it back. Right?
Yeah, like a kid.
Yeah. Excuse me. If my...
If you wanted to take the ones off of the one that's there, use that one. You can do that.
You said some adoption papers?
So yeah, so I'm just it's basically purchase agreements. You just
Okay.
have to fill it out.
All right. I'm trying to surprise my son with one. All right, y'all. We back at home, y'all. You gonna let it go? Or you want me to let it go?
I don't know how to open this.
I'll open it. Okay, y'all. We about to go ahead and let this bird. No, not yet. You know, Mama be watching the Ring camera right there. I don't know how we gonna get this in here, y'all. Look, the camera right there. Lady, here come Nia with your gift. You watching them.
Hi, DJ. Hi, DJ.
Say like you got to with them. Nia said this was your gift.
What is that? What is that? What is that? It's in the bed. Stop! It's in a baby crib.
It's a bird.
It's in a baby crib.
Did you kill it? It's in his baby bed, look. It's in his baby bed. Come on. Come on.
I go get it.
Come on. Come get this. That's Nia gift.
Y'all can take it back.
Come on.
I'm out of breath.
Come on. Come get this bird.
Why would y'all bring a bird in here?
Come on. Come on.
Definitely not doing that. I just got scared.
Get out of the room.
I just saw
Come
it.
on. You gotta help me.
No.
Come here. Come on. It's just a bird.
I don't care.
Where did it go? Oh, there you go.
Why ain't flying?
You hit it.
I'm scared. Trying to get out.
Come on.
I gotta watch that out.
Come on.
I almost fell.
Ah! I hear it.
Ooh, I almost fell. Dad!
Oh, hell no.
It's literally in front of me.
Nice.
Ah! It's
Court.
green.
I am.
What's wrong?
Baby's scared.
Come on. Ain't that wrong?
Come on, go.
Babe, you gotta help me get it.
There you go. It's on the cover.
I gotta wash the cover now.
Give me that.
Stop, man. Well, go in your room. I should have went up in your room. Come on, it's a gift. This ain't no gift for me.
It is a gift.
They had. It's taking a duty.
What?
Taking a doodle. It's taking a doodle.
Oh, it's little cute.
It's so cute.
You and DJ in there fucking crying like a fucking. You almost? Huh.
Get out.
Huh.
It's a,
No, you're not gonna cry.
it's a doodle tour.
Why would y'all do that? This ain't no gift. This ain't no damn gift.
I'm scared.
I had to do some adoption papers for this.
Oh.
What adoption? This ain't no motherfucking thing. We're not adopting that.
Yes, we are. I can't catch it.
Let's get a bird cage.
You want the bird cage? Babe, I can't catch it. Babe, I can't get it.
I saw it.
Babe, I can't catch it.
Oh, baby.
She locked the door, y'all.
I know how to
I
unlock
put
it.
it. Babe, why would I take it outside?
It's
So
gonna
it can
fly.
away? Come on, look. Come on, ain't nobody
I
gonna.
want to see it.
Come look. Babe, come look.
Stop! Stop! I got the baby! Stop!
It's behind you. She ain't gonna play with nobody else, is she, y'all? She gonna learn her lesson. I got a hamster coming next. I got a hamster coming next. You gonna stop playing with me? Who calling? Hey, Rocket Mortgage calling me, y'all. I'm gonna pay y'all in a minute. Come back in the house. That bird ain't gonna do nothing. Oh, it's in here now.
Well, get it out.
Come on. Come get your stuff back. Come on. She's so scared. She's so scared. Naya, come on, come get this camera.
Caught it?
Get in there.
Oh! Look
Where'd he
behind.
go?
Oh!
Oh, he behind here.
Oh, he scared me.
Woo!
I thought.
I thought he knew some magic. Oh!
Oh, that's the toilet paper. He's not in it. Oh.
All right, y'all. All right. Y'all, I swear to God, she ain't gonna. No, babe, huh? I quit. Just come back.
Let that boy loose.
Come on, look.
You gonna get a cage?
No, you want to keep this bird?
Yeah. We feed it.
Babe, I don't want to keep this bird.
Yeah, let's keep it.
No, then our house gonna be smelling like birds and shit. We already got a dog. We got a dog. You talking about you want the cats and all that other stuff? No. Nobody want all that.
Be a cat filter.
Come sound my camera.
What?
Come sound my camera.
No.
If it was a good prank, or I'm gonna keep pranking you. Come
It's not your camera.
come sound my lens. I'm gonna do it to my daddy. He pulling up.
Come on.
Oh. Yeah, that's him. I'm about to get my daddy. He know we up to no good. Scare your ass.
Oh! What's that?
Hey, Pops. I got something for you.
No.
Open that. Open it. Yo, my daddy, so he's scared to be on camera. It's a bird in here. I just threw it on there.
I don't care.
I'm covering your face.
I don't do that.
No, that's what we out here doing. We out here doing the video. All right. That bird was $32, huh? Sign my camera.
For what?
Sign it.
What is I supposed to do?
Sign it, or I'm gonna keep pranking you. Sign it. I want you to autograph it. No, sign it. Right on it.
Right on your camera?
Yeah.
Stop! Come on now.
No, on the lens, Mama.
Can't do it on the lens.
Yes, you do it on the lens. Do it on the lens. I'm telling you.